In this quick video, you will learn how to install the Brave browser on Windows 10. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google or your favorite search engine and just type in Brave browser. Go for the one that says Brave browser download. You're going to go here and click download Brave. Now you're going to have a few choices to choose from. You're going to have either the 64-bit version or the 32-bit version. To know which one you actually need, just do the following. Go to the search bar on the lower left, type System, click System Information, look at the system type. For me, I'm running a 64-bit system, so I'm going to have to download the 64-bit version of Brave. For you, you might need to download either 32-bit or 64-bit. Alright, so we're going to go here. I'm going to download the 64-bit, so I could just click this link over here, or you could just click this link if you're downloading the 32-bit version. Let's download. Now, depending on what browser you're using to download Brave, will determine where it pops up. I'm using Chrome to download this software, so it'll pop up on the lower left. But generally, it goes into the download folder. So I'm going to do just that. Here's my download folder. You're going to double click it. You're going to hit yes. Let it do its thing. And now you should be all set. Once you download the software, it'll pop up and have a new web browser open up for you. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.